Welcome to Planter Garden TV. All right, guys. Well, guess what, guys? In this container, we have yams and we have cane. So let's look in this container and see what's going on at this moment. This is a piece of cane we have here. Okay. This cane is really rooting right now. It's pushing a lot of root, but I ain't seen no sprout as yet. I believe this is a sprout gonna be coming up there, but right now I'm gonna bury it back because I ain't seen no sprout as yet. We have another piece of cane over here. Let's see what's going on with it. Oh wow, okay. All right. This cane have a sprout, so that's what I'm talking about. All right, so we see big thing going on in this container. The cane has sprouted, so I'm gonna just put it back there for now and just cover it back until I'm ready to put it in its own container. Okay, so wait, what's down here? This is another piece of cane. Let me see. All right, this one is pushing a lot of root as well, but no sprout as yet. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna push that back down in right there. So only one cane sprout so far. Okay, and look what's going on here, guys. These are yam. This is a yam going on here, and the yam sprout. Oh yes, the yam sprout. Look, another yam down here again. The yam sprout. So we have two yam sprout and we have one cane. Let me look at this yam and see this is a yam as well. But nothing going on with this yam right at this moment. So what we see so far, we see one cane sprout. We have two yam sprout. I plant these yams since last year and I realize it's sprouting now, so I'm hoping to eat some yam this year from these yams. Okay, and we have Edo sprouting as well. This container, man, I'm telling you, this is wonderful. So so I have two yam, one cane sprout, and we have an Edo in this container. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and blessing. Don't forget to hit that like button. I'll truly appreciate it. All right.